Hi, my name is Alexi. With the help of my wife, Marielle, we own and operate the Glass Studio here in Kingston, Ontario. One of the challenges that we've had is finding people who have a production background. Because when you come out of school, it's more about making beautiful things, and in our business, it's about making beautiful things but fast and efficient. Because we were getting into the wholesale end of selling glass, it was important for the pieces to be more consistent in size and shape and so on. With the help of the applied research, we're designing a machine that's going to help us be a little bit more automated. The first device that we're getting worked on is it's a bench that has wheels and it has an electric motor. Actually, I spend half my day turning a pipe back and forth with this hand, keeping the glass on center. And you can imagine that it wears and tears on you, getting carpal tunnel and all this kind of thing, right? So the second piece of equipment, it's the piece that has the two-part mold attached to it. The way that a glass blower back in the day would use a two-part mold is you'd have somebody helping you. They'd sit on the ground and they would open a box, and then when you come down with your bubble when it's ready, they close it, and you'll be turning and blowing the glass at the same time. It fills the cavity. And then once it's cool enough, you open the box, you pull out, and there's your piece, it's done. Now with this piece of machinery that the college is helping us with, it's gonna allow us to keep things more consistent and produce handmade stuff that people really expect and appreciate.